Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing overstay in Thailand. Specifically, we're discussing immigration initiatives recently, which, again, as I've discussed in many other videos, immigration is much more proactive these days regarding overstay, to the point where, as we'll get into, tip-offs. Now, tip-offs are becoming a regular thing where people, the Thai immigration police are being tipped off to a foreigner who's been in Thailand for a prolonged period of time, and then they check this person out. Turns out they might be on overstay. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from The Phuket News. That's thephuket.news.com. Article is titled "Phuket Immigration Joins Illegal Business Raids." And the thrust of that article goes a different direction. We've talked a lot about this article. A lot of good information and insight in there. I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article in the Phuket News for more detail. But quoting directly, acting on another tip-off, officers arrested 2 Pakistani nationals at a rented room in Rat Utit 200P Road in Patong at about 12:30 p.m. on April 2nd. Both the men were unable to present to officers their passports or any other evidence they had permission to remain in the country. Both men, Mr. Anis and Mr. Ashfaq, 26 and 34 respectively, were taken to Patong police station while officers checked immigration records. Quoting further, Mr. Ashfaq, who had entered Thailand on March 3rd, 2023 through Suvarnabhumi Airport, his tourist visa had allowed him to stay 60 days until May 1, 2023. He had overstayed 337 days. Quoting further, while the men were at Patong police station, officers charged them both with illegally staying in the country. So again, this whole overstay thing is something that immigration is taking very, very seriously. And that, coupled with the fact that we're now seeing tip-offs, I believe there's some sort of app down there in Phuket especially, they're using this quite a little bit to communicate directly to immigration and other law enforcement officers regarding quote-unquote foreigners behaving badly, if you will. And one of the things that they seem to be tipping off rather frequently about now is people who may be in overstay. They're just seeing people, by they, I mean the locals are seeing people who are around, they're around a prolonged period of time, and I think they're just sending in a message that says, hey, immigration, I see these 2 people, they're in this place, I see them around here all the time, are they legal? Are they still in lawful status? And then immigration goes and investigates it. So this is a major change, and we'll certainly keep you updated on this channel as this situation evolves.